June, July, and August. This is typically pretty warm for.
New information on the drought monitor. It is out today, and unfortunately, the situation not terribly surprising, but the
It's a good day to relax in the shade near the water because this is definitely a heat wave.
They're coming to get you, Barbara.
Stop it!
Hello?
You're ignorant.
They're coming for you, Barbara.
Yeah.
Stop it! You're acting like a child.
We need some donuts. Yeah.
There comes one of them now.
Okay.
He'll hear you.
Here he comes now. I'm getting out of it.
John!
cause I've been checking for you too. You be all over my IG, liking pics and posting about what you would do. So I'm coming over your place. Grab some Moscato, roll this whip, I'm on my way. And the shit we bout to get into.